Hello, I'm WBZ TV meteorologist Barry Burbank. Have your forecast for the next several days. Let's take a quick look at what's going on with September as we continue to track it. And we don't have many days left, just one full week of September left. Next Sunday being the last day of the month. The mean temperature departure is still plus 4.7 degrees. That's pretty warm month, no question about that, but it's not the warmest September we've ever had. 1983, we got the jackpot on that one. And we've been pushed into the number 3 position behind 2015. So there you go, we're just a little bit behind what happened 3 years ago in September on 2015. So those are the top 5 positions. We had 1915 after that and 2002. So as far as if you're going up to the lakes and mountains for today or tomorrow, looks like today should be fine with lots of sunshine in the mountains, a temperature around 65 degrees, and that extends down through the lakes region of New Hampshire as well. Just a fine day overall. As far as a foliage tracker, we're starting to see hints of colors, splashes of color beginning to show up, and a little prominent color starting to show up in some of the mountains up north. And it doesn't take much with these cold nights, one that we had last night, another one coming up tonight, to initiate and start accelerating the color wave. And typically, on a general year, it's the late September is when they get the peak fall colors in the higher elevations of the Green Mountains, White Mountains, and the mountains of western Maine. And some of the notches up there become very beautiful. And then the color wave, of course, starts heading southward with time. We'll keep you posted as we go through the next few weeks. Of course, should be a lot different than last October was when it was so warm. I don't expect a repeat of last October. That was the hottest October on record. So today, we're looking at plenty of sunshine. The high cloud shield seems to be shifting more to the south, at least the thicker high cloudiness. On the periphery of it, there's going to be some occasional filaments and streamers of these high clouds. We'll see adding some decoration to the beautiful blue sky today. It's essentially clear across most of northern New England. The front we had to go by yesterday morning is way to the south, introduced all that nice refreshing air, so you had to reach for that blanket last night, I'm sure. Tonight, another cold front is going to be coming down, and that'll be passing into the coastal plain tomorrow morning. So after we hit highs today in the upper 60s and touching 70 in a few spots this afternoon around 3 o'clock, the temperature will start going down tonight to lows in the 50s, around 52 for an average low. The moon will be rising at 6:23. We're getting close to that full moon phase, and this month it's the full harvest moon, and it happens late tomorrow evening just before 11 o'clock. So we should have a moonlit night tonight, moonshiny sky. And temperatures falling down to the low, and in Boston, probably the middle 50s. A few of the isolated valleys could get briefly down in the upper 40s. Tomorrow's high should be in the upper 50s to near 60, except lower 60s on the Cape, as the wind's going to be really pretty brisk and pretty busy during the day tomorrow. See most of the high cloudiness extreme southern New England this afternoon, thins out even down there with time, and the rest of us see plenty of sunshine. That won't be the case tomorrow, because what's going to be happening is we're going to have this next cold front coming down from Canada, almost coming in almost like a backdoor front. As the wind turns into the northeast, it's going to roll a lot of clouds in here tomorrow morning, producing isolated sprinkles or a shower. Nothing really heavy, maybe touches of mist in a few spots as all these low clouds come in. And they'll be with us much of the day, so it's going to be rather cloudy tomorrow with maybe some bright spots in the overcast and a few brief splashes of sunshine. That would happen through tomorrow with that gusty wind. Gustiest in the morning when the front goes by for a couple, 3 hours after the frontal passage, 15 to 30 mile-an-hour winds, decreasing somewhat in the afternoon. Rain starts, for the most part, near and just at the conclusion of the Tuesday morning commute. And then that rain will overspread the area and get pretty heavy in the afternoon, amounting to an inch or more, mainly west of the I-95 corridor. Down toward the Cape, it doesn't look like it's going to rain all that much. Could be a couple of brief showers, and then later Wednesday night there'll be a scattered shower or thunderstorm as well. Sox are back in town starting tomorrow. They have a 3-game series set with the Orioles, 7:10 p.m. first pitch on all 3 of the games, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. It looks like it'll be around 52 tomorrow night at first pitch with a light easterly wind, partly cloudy. On Tuesday night, questionable whether they'll be able to play because it's going to be pouring on Tuesday afternoon, and there will be lighter rain left over into Tuesday evening. Not sure if they'll try to get that game in, but it's going to be wet anyway, about 63. And then we go to Wednesday night, and that'll be the warmest night of the next 3, 73, with a slight chance of a shower or a thunderstorm. So there's all the cold air coming in for tomorrow, gusty northeast wind. Here comes the rain along this warm front on Tuesday. And then we get into this humid, warm sector on Wednesday, which may allow a few sunny breaks. The cold front will come through with a few scattered showers and storms Wednesday night, and then we're back to some fine weather with low humidity and seasonable temperatures upper 60s, near 70 on Thursday and Friday, maybe even a little bit warmer than that on Saturday. So that is your forecast ahead for the next 7 days. Have a nice week.